So this is
perpetual position.
So I'm having a conflict with
Ryan.
So how to solve this problem? I'm using the NLP technique taught by Jackie.
Lin.
Perceptual positioning.
这个这么难不可以了。
What is perceptual positioning? A powerful technique for changing your perception or viewpoint about an experience in order to get a more balanced approach. Okay, involve dissociated from experience so you can develop a new understanding and creating new choice. Or you can say you can see from another perspective from other people's points of view instead of your own point of view. Why? Because subconscious mind always take the what? Your what?
Order.
Huh? No, subconscious mind always take your. You always
Take
say.
things personally. Then you need to do perceptual positioning.
Okay. Next. Okay, there are some steps in perceptual positionings. There are 4 positions to work through. Position 1, through your own eyes. What does it mean?
Being yourself.
Yes.
Wow.
You are the one who stands there,
Chosen
okay? You are the one, okay? So, position 2, through the eyes of someone else. You are putting yourself into,
The person you have conflict with.
yes, or you put yourself into someone's shoes, okay? There's a conflict with. That's called you. Position 3, to the eyes of third party. This is called
They.
They.
very clever you. What is this? This is the third party. The they is person who.
Who knows the two person?
Yes.
哎，看你比赛了。
So the position 4 overview of all the other 3 positions, an elevated stage of higher self or spiritual figure. This is called we.
We.
Okay, before that, we need to use this. So, before that, we need to use the spatial sorting. By stepping into this position, in turn, people can separate their internal psychology. Okay, the first one, position 1. Okay, you can be is I. Okay, you can prepare for this slide of paper to put I, you, they, we. Okay, you can pass to the person to do the spatial sorting, to put it anywhere. Okay, the spatial sorting. What? But it's good that I and the you person should facing each other. You put because it's a very important point. Why? Because you are seeing each other. You are the person having conflicts with you, right? Okay, so actually the spatial sorting not necessarily is only limited to a paper. It can be on a chair, different chair, or different corners of the room, or even a building. Okay. The process for perceptual positioning. First, you set the intention of the exercise. First, you need to talk to the client. Okay. I'm here to mainly is to help you to overcome a difficult situation or conflict situation you have with someone else. So you pick the location for the position by using spatial sorting. You ask the client to choose to put down the spatial sorting. Then there's a chit-chat zone. It can be any area in this room. Any part or day or that side or that side or this side. Okay? It's a break state. What is break state? What time is it now? 6 o'clock, right? This is a break state. So your focus will not be there only, but you can transfer your focus to other place. Okay? 4th, once set the position, step into the first position, I. Okay? See what you see, hear what you feel, hear what you hear, feel what you feel. It's from your own perception. Okay? Just stand inside. I'm the one having a conflict with Brian Long. So after that, after you feel already, how you see, you feel, you hear already, you break state, you can go to the corner, so the chit-chat zone, and then you return to the present. After that, you can step into the second positions. Now I'm not I anymore. I'm not Hui Jun, but I'm a Brian Long. I'm look at Brian. Sorry, I'm looking at Hui Jun. Okay? So I need to fully associate into the other person's experience. Means I need to fully associate and became Brian Long. And I can act like Brian Long now. Oh, don't like do this. Okay, and looking back into you from Brian's own perspective. What Brian think of me? Delicious. Okay, once complete, break state. Okay. After that, you can step into the third position as a they. Am I Hui Jun?
No.
Am I Brian?
No.
Who am I?
Lama.
La.
Oh yeah, good one. Llama. Okay, I'm a llama.
Now we know.
So now I'm the
As in the
third
animal
party
llama.
perspective I need to say. So once complete, say whatever I want to say. Okay. Then once complete, I break state. I can give example like Hui Jun, you shouldn't be like that. Brian, you shouldn't be like that. As a llama, you always say that you very
Equal.
以和为贵 must be equal, equanimity. Okay. So after that, you step into the after break state, you step into the fourth position as we. Who is the we?
Are we?
Are we?
Nintendo Wii.
Why? Why is the Jinto?
Common ground for everyone.
Yes, correct. You see from the big picture, okay? 3 of them all work in a temple. So,
You don't work.
but still in the temple, right? So, you can say it's as a Ching Choling. Okay? Okay, once complete, break state. Come back. So, once gather the new understanding for all the 4 positions, I, Hui Jun, move back to the position 1 by asking, how will be different? After seeing Brian, his point of view to me and Lama, I found that I might be wrong. Right? So we might change your perception. Yes, very good. After that, I go to you as a Brian. So I'm Brian already. So I said, maybe Hui Jun be more not so negative. I think I will change my attitude toward her. Okay?
Yeah, I will.
After that, I move back to the position 1 and ask, what have I learned? From here, what have I learned? Be more positive thinking, be more friendly towards all.
Actually, fine.
Okay, so after that, you can test and future pace. So next time when you come to this situation again, you can think about it. It can remind you again. Okay? Thank you very much.
Yay!